Necesito tu amor.
Edit going on there. Well, I'll make sure I kind of say this is a work in progress, you know. Yeah, I like that, man. Dude, that looks like it was like supposed to be there.
Yeah, I mean, it utilizes factory bolt points and everything. We're not putting like any crazy holes in the car and shit.
That's cool, man. Very cool. Gotta love it.
And all this tech flex, everything.
Yeah, man. You know what? I didn't even notice that brand there. I didn't even notice it there. That's awesome. Very cool. What's up, man? It's your boy Lou Dizzle down here at Audio Interventions, getting some work done on the caliber today. Today it was more kind of like you know, preparing for the other steps in phase 2. The guys down here got the 2 runs of 0, ran from the battery to the back. Got the big 3, the power wire hooked up from the alternator going to the D3400 under the hood with the toolmaker goodies. Replaced the grounds under the hood, and just kind of got stuff ready for later on down the line of you know, getting the D3100 connected in the back and the box getting built and stuff for that. So these guys did a ton of work today. I kind of got some time-lapse footage of under the car and in the back and getting taken apart. So today is just kind of getting stuff ready for down the road when we get the amps and stuff hooked up. So mad props to these guys. They worked real hard on my car today. I appreciate it a lot. John and James, Audio Interventions. So if you're in the Bonita or Naples area, you need a radar done, you need an alarm installed, you need some jail audio, something like that in your ride, make sure to give Audio Interventions a call. I'll put the number in the description, and keep your eyes open for phase 2. It's your boy Lou Dizzle. I'm out.